Al-Shabaab has been defeated and they are on the run now. And this victory will continue, and this momentum will continue until we freed or liberated the rest of the Somalis, even the villages.
We are linked, the line of communication, so that supply gain. This place we have captured. Jawhar is important in that it is one of the key areas where Al-Shabaab has control of the minds of the people. This is a big area. We have farmers here. They do a lot of agriculture and then also pastoral farming. They raise money, and Al-Shabaab has been getting zakat from them. How does Al-Shabaab get zakat? Of course, it is by terrorizing them. And this is the money he uses to run his operations. So removing Jawhar from Al-Shabaab is one way of killing his effort. Capturing a town like this is just winning a battle. But the bigger war is the war of the minds and hearts of the people. Because once you have the people with you, then the war is over.